Assalamualaikum my dear students. In our previous video we have already discussed pituitary gland, its anatomy, its structure and its location, that where it is located inside the body. What is pituitary gland? Pituitary gland is a small gland that dangles from the base of the brain like a pea on the string, and it produces several hormones and it is controlled by the hypothalamus. And we have already discussed its location, that is just beneath the hypothalamus as you are seeing in the picture, or it has two parts, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. We have discussed in our previous video the anterior lobe. Now we are going to discuss the posterior lobe in this video. We have seen its structure, that the pituitary gland is divided into the two parts, the anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. Now we will discuss the hormones that are produced by the posterior pituitary gland. As we know, the importance of the pituitary gland is to take message from the brain and uses this message to produce hormone that affect many parts of the body, and it's also include to stimulate other hormones that produce other glands that produce their own hormones. The pituitary gland stimulate those glands. That's why sometimes it is also referred as master gland. So the posterior part of the pituitary gland produce two hormones. Number one is the vasopressin and second one is the oxytocin. This gland stores and secretes these hormones. The vasopressin is also known as antidiuretic hormone, and the other hormone that we are going to discuss here is the oxytocin. Now, as we know that the ADH, that is the antidiuretic hormone, also known as the vasopressin, it increases the rate of reabsorption of water from the nephrons. When we have low amount of water in the body fluids, pituitary gland secretes vasopressin, and so more reabsorption of the water occurs from the nephrons into the blood. In this way, body retains water and less amount of urine is produced. It increases the rate of reabsorption of water. सो अगर हमने वाटर इनटेक बहुत कम किया है तो फिर बॉडी जो है वो कम यूरिन प्रोड्यूस करेगी ताकि ज़्यादा लॉस ना हो, और अगर हमने ज़्यादा पानी पिया है तो फिर बॉडी ज़्यादा यूरिन जो उसको नॉर्मल बॉडी को चाहिए वो रख के और बाकी जो है वो एक्सक्रीट आउट कर देगी, तो फिर ज़्यादा जो है वो यूरिन बनेगा. So when the ADH, that is the antidiuretic hormone, is controlling the water retention, reabsorption of the water, and अगर बॉडी में जो है वो कम वाटर इनटेक है तो फिर यूरिन की जो प्रोडक्शन है it will be reduced. Or on the other hand, when body fluids have more than the normal water, there is a decline in the secretion of this hormone. If the pituitary gland does not secrete this hormone in required amount, less water is reabsorbed from nephrons and there is excessive loss of water through the urine. तो फिर जो कंडीशन डेवलप होती है, that is known as the diabetes insipidus, कि वाटर की रीअब्जॉर्प्शन नहीं हो रही बॉडी के लिए और यूरिन, डाइल्यूटेड यूरिन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, बिकॉज the pituitary gland is not secreting this hormone in the required amount. That's why the condition develops, that is the disorder. It is known as the diabetes insipidus, is a disorder of posterior lobe of the pituitary gland, that is the production of deficiency of antidiuretic hormone, that is the vasopressin. Now here is the another hormone that is produced by the posterior part of the pituitary gland, that is the oxytocin, and it has two target organs. It functions, the main function of this gland, this part of the gland, this hormone is to produce the milk. During lactation it produces milk, and secondly it also, the first action that is produced is the action on mammary glands for the ejection of milk, and second it produces action on the uterine walls during the childbirth. Basically the oxytocin hormones acts on the pregnant uterus and also on the non-pregnant uterus, but the main action is during the childbirth, because throughout the period of the pregnancy it secretes various hormones that produce action on the child development and growth. So here our lecture of pituitary glands comes to an end. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.